recording, just an hour. Just gonna go through some stuff with Remake, maybe try to launch a feature. Just gonna go through some stuff with Remake, maybe try to launch and yeah, we'll see what happens. So just gonna post this to a couple different places and post. Okay. Oh, gotta start chatty too. Okay. I meant to get started with this earlier, and I forgot I had a call. I forgot I had a call at 3 p.m. So, unfortunately, I'm only going to be able to stream for an hour today, but it should be fun. So let's see. Last time we went through some pretty good stuff, I thought. We made some improvements to the file upload, and we were working on the changelog. So let's review this real quick. Implemented file upload, which only requires a few lines of code to get working. Max file size 50 megabytes by default. Then we can show this. Boom, boom, boom. Added a few helper file upload features. Upload progress bar toast notification. Let's say like A. Or why don't we say like indented? Say progress or upload progress toast or notification and developer API. We'll say callbacks. Callbacks for file upload events. Change the way data I attribute works. By default, it triggers a save unless its value is set to don't trigger save on change. Okay. For input type text and text area elements, the save is debounced by 800 milliseconds, so it doesn't trigger too often. Re-architected front-end remake libraries, separating out data manipulation methods into remake client-side data utilities. Most useful methods that came out of this as part of this re-architecture, we created two very useful methods. Low level, we'll say. Low level methods, okay, great. And that can be down there. Merge output.js folder into data utilities. Moved, okay, we can delete that. Improvement, data L key, i.e. location key attributes, are now smarter about how they set data. They'll set the inner text of most elements, as usual, but default to setting the source attribute on image, audio, video, iframe, and script elements, and the href attribute on link elements. Bug fix, data I elements with a data I attribute now set data on both data OK and data L attributes and not just data OK attributes. Okay, cool. So that looks good for the changelog. Let's go into terminal, open up GitHub remake, and we're gonna just see what version we have here. So if we go in, if we do a cat on package JSON, we're gonna get, let's see. So we have 1.9.0. Yeah, so we're going to release another minor version. So we're going to get 1.10.0, and I believe we're going to do that with remake version minor. There's a problem here, though. I'm not going to worry about it right now. I kind of want to worry about it. So the problem is that the command line tool is going to install from the latest version of Remake, which is a problem because you would kind of expect the command line tool to maybe generate a project not based on the latest. I'm not sure if that's true, actually. But I don't know, maybe you would expect it to set a version or something. Okay, but let's go into changelog. Let's see, we've got 1.90. Okay, and we're going to push out, so we're doing 1.10.0, and this is April 15th, 2020. So it's quite a bit later, actually. We'll grab all this, paste it in there. Okay, and these stars can be dashes just so that we are consistent here. Okay, create the changelog, update the changelog. Okay, so we're going to say npm version minor. So let's see how that works. So git status. Yeah, so we modified the changelog. I think, I don't think we can do this here. Yeah, because it's not clean. Okay, so we're going to say, I guess we're going to git stash, and then we're going to do hey, Drachlin, welcome to the stream. So the problem with this is that I am versioning the command line tool, but I'm updating a separate repository. It's a little bit of an issue, to be honest. I just like having the separate repository for the remake project so that I can just kind of do whatever there. Also, is this committed? Whatever. I don't want to deal with that right now. Okay, so we're going to do npm version minor. Great. And now we're going to do git stash pop. Great. And now we're going to restart the GitHub desktop. And we're going to go into remake. Okay, we're going to say update changelog. Oops, changelog.md for v 1.10.0. We will commit that, we'll push that out. Now we've got to do npm, well, we're not going to do npm publish yet. We'll go into remake framework, and we're going to git checkout master. It's because we moved these directories, but we don't really need these, so we're just going to discard them. I'm going to actually just go through them just to make sure. Yep, these are just all uploads and session files. Okay, so we can discard them safely. Yes, discard all changes. Okay, so now we're in Remake Framework. We're going to git merge the file upload one. Or, yeah, git merge file. Or actually, you know what we should do as a best practice? We should switch to file upload and git merge master. Oh, okay, because we didn't make any changes to master. Okay. That makes sense. So now we're going to git merge file upload. And it's only going to fast forward it, right? And I guess I should have done it in a different way. I think there's a better way to do what I just did. I think there's a better way to do what I just did. I think you're supposed to like group them together into one somehow. But whatever. So we're going to push this out. We're going to switch back to remake, remake, and we're going to do npm publish. And that should be 1.10.0. Okay. So now we're gonna go into our GitHub directory. We're gonna npm install global remake, and yep. So now we've got 1.10, and now we're gonna test it. So we're gonna say remake create sample app upload. And that's going to create a new project and do an npm install for us. And then we're going to test out the file uploading. And we're also going to check out that we have the that the changelog looks good. I'm going to go here. So, yep, that looks good. Okay, so let's go back here, installing npm directories. Okay, great. So cd sample npm run dev, and then we're going to go to localhost 3000, and we should be able to go there right about, no, not yet, close, there we go. Okay, so now we can sign up, and we'll just do like James. Okay, and we're going to drag this into here. We're going to make sure that this works. So if we delete volunteers and we drag confirm down there and then we refresh, it worked. So we're saving data, I guess, and we're not getting any issues in the console. Okay, so that's kind of good enough for me for a basic test. we're going to go into the app, we're going to go into pages, we're going to create a file upload test.hps, and we're going to paste in this and go here. Test. Oops. Dash test. Okay. Refresh. Great. Now, if we choose a file, let's go to our downloads folder, select a file, uploading. Boom. It worked. If we refresh, it looks good. And let's see. So there's one other issue I can think of, which is our git ignore inside of this. Why? I just want to collapse this. Okay, so our git ignore ignores. It does ignore remake uploads because it's copying from the framework, so that's awesome. Okay, so this looks good. It's saving. That's awesome. That's really, really cool. Okay, so let's go back here. Hey, DevGut, thank you for following. I really appreciate that a lot. Where are you coming from? So we updated our changelog. We published a new minor version. I'm going to update the roadmap. So we got roadmap.remakeTheWeb.com. And we're going to log in. Oh, it looks like I gotta turn on secrets. Gotta not forget to turn off the secrets, because I always forget to do that. Okay, how did I log into this thing? I think it's through Google. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, unhiding. Nice screen. Okay, so we've got our roadmap. Hi, you're from Portugal. Awesome. Well, welcome to the stream. How are things going with you? Is the whole COVID-19 thing pretty like, are you guys on lockdown over there? We're all on lockdown here. I'm around Boston in the United States. So we're going to move this. How do I move this to complete? Okay, complete. Sure, email voters. I'll see what it's like. Okay, so that's great. Okay, so let's see. We've got a new release of Remake, version 1.10.0. Supports file uploads as well as some other great changes. Check out all the latest here. Okay, so I kind of feel a little bit weird about just linking the changelog, but I think it's fine. We'll just go with it for now. I wish these were in reverse order. Why are the comments in ascending order? That kind of stinks. Oh, and I think I can file uploading is as simple as 1, 2, 3, and I can do this here. Okay, let's save that. Awesome. Actually, file uploading and displaying the uploaded file is as simple as this. Okay, great. Okay, cool. So I wonder if I can like fake. I think I can fake upload this. Okay, so let's go to roadmap. Boom. Someone voted this up. That's interesting. That's really cool. I got some feedback. Okay, so let's see. We updated the roadmap. We're gonna add to the documentation. Oof. That's kind of a big project. So right now, I mean, it's not super big. It's docs. Okay, so we've got the tutorial. That's not going to have uploading data in it, but we should have something here about uploading data. Maybe like uploading files after I think after saving. Okay, so let's remove this. We're going to grab our website. Remake website. Where are you? Remake-website. There we go. Okay, so we're going to go into remake. Geez, I can't spell. Website, and oh no, shoot. We don't want remake website. What am I talking about? It's actually the documentation is in the command line tool, which you know is a little bit silly. But until I get more people to help me out with this, I'm okay with doing things a little bit silly. So we're going to do site serve. Let's go back into remake. Yeah, so the remake website, the marketing website, lives in its own repository, but the documentation lives inside of the same repository as the command line tool. Okay, so we're going to do npm run site serve, and great. So if I go into here, yep, okay, so I didn't make any changes yet, so that's good news. I'm going to go to localhost. I think it was, is it 8080? Oh man, I can't believe I remember that. Okay, so now we're going to add, I think we have two menus here. No, I think I fixed that. I think we don't have like a different menu for mobile now, which is definitely good. Okay, so let's look at like, not this, saving. Okay, so like this kind of sucks for documentation. I know I could definitely improve this, but that's okay. And I have a video here and everything, so whatever, right? For now, for now it's kind of whatever. So we're gonna add another page here called like uploading files in Remake. So we'll say like uploading files, and it's gonna be like how to upload a file, and then we're going to have this example code. And this isn't going to be the first thing. So what should we say about Remake? So uploading files. So Remake comes with the ability to store file uploads. The ability to trigger file uploads out of the box. Comes with the ability to trigger file uploads. All you need is a input type file element along with a few remake attributes. Remake takes care of showing file, takes care of one, showing the file upload progress, 2, uploading the file to a user directory, 3, handing you back the final path of the file. So all you need to do is insert the uploaded file into your page. And we'll have a line-by-line explanation down here. So we're going to say, well, I think first of all, let's just save this doc on file upload. Okay, uploading files. Remake takes care of how to upload a file, and then we're going to say step by, or line by line. What do I want to say? I want to say like line by line explanation, I guess. Explanation. Okay, how about how this code works? Okay, 1, the user clicks on the file upload input upload input 2 I choose a file to upload. Remake automatically shows the progress of the upload. For Remake returns the path of the uploaded file back to your front end. 5, the file or Remake inserts the file path into a data O key. Hello feet, or data L key that matches the name attribute on the file input. Okay, 6 is that's it. I mean, that's pretty much it. If the file can be displayed on the page, it will be. The file can be displayed on the page as an image or video, it will be. In the element it's inserted into, then it will be. Okay, great. So we've got the documentation for this page. I'd say it's good enough. It's not amazing. I think we could do a couple things to make this better. So one would be, where's my roadmap? I want to grab this image from the roadmap, this one here, and use this. Remake. Oh yeah, okay, that's perfect because this is under my control. This is on my S3 account. So that's awesome. Okay, so we're gonna do what are we gonna do? Oh yeah, we're making a page. So let's go into site source. And we're gonna first of all look at our layout, I believe, because this is where our menu is. So if I search for intro here, nope, intro is the wrong thing to search for. So if I search for, like, what is remake here, there should just be one. Okay, great. So that just means we have one menu. So I was right that we got rid of the other mobile menu. They're all, it's just mobile and desktop that are the same menu, I think. I'm not actually positive about that. I might be duplicating the menu with JavaScript, but I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, so down here we have how remake works. What do we want? How remake works, and then right after saving, I believe. So here, oops, here. Okay, so we're going to say file uploads. And we're going to say if the page is file upload, what did we call it? Uploading files? Uploading files or file uploads. I kind of feel like file uploads has a better ring to it. So we're going to do file uploads as the name of the page. File uploads. Okay, so we'll save that. This might refresh. Gotta remember, this is the live site, so that's not going to refresh for us. Okay, so this is the local site. No file uploads. If I click there, nothing's going to happen because it doesn't have an actual page yet. So let's see. Let's go to saving and just copy this as a layout, just so we're not like forgetting anything. What is this? Smart Sharp. Okay. So we'll do new, and we're going to do, what do we call it? File uploads.md, and then we're going to paste this layout and okay. So we're going to do file uploads, I think. And then we're going to grab the documentation that we just wrote, and we're going to say remake comes with the ability to trigger file. Okay, so let's look at how this looks. It's possible. Okay, wait, actually I think I copied the route. Okay, yeah, so we want file uploads. There we go. Boom, got it. Okay, perfect, except for this. What is, I believe we want HTML for that to render, but let's make sure. So I believe we have somewhere where we should be syntax highlighting HTML. I guess it's probably on, how do I not have it anywhere? Also, wait, what is this? I should update this roadmap thing. Okay, so what is remake? We're getting a tiny bit distracted. What is remake? Oh, it's just the index page. Okay. Index.md. Okay. Make docs roadmap. And the full remake roadmap. Okay, I'm gonna do that. We don't have a link in our Okay, so here we go. That arrow doesn't look great. I believe there's a thing we can use here. It's like something like that. How is that? Oh, there we go. You know what? I kind of like that. And then let's just do this. Yeah, it's not like great, but like it's fine. um, I don't know. Maybe we'll bold it too. Let's get rid of the arrows. They're too much. Okay. And we'll just say like view the full remake roadmap. And we can actually just move this to the bottom. Okay, we have image uploads, so we can delete that. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, and then this should go to form. Okay, cool. So let's see. Where, oh, it's going to be here. Okay, a simple example app. So simple example app, raw, and then HTML. What does raw do? I don't know what raw does. I forget what raw does. Okay, so let's say raw and 11D. Raw. Raw. Okay. What does it do? I think I don't know why it needs raw. I guess let's just delete raw and then see what it does. I mean, I know it's going to break, but maybe it'll let us see what it does. I have no idea what it did. I mean, like, okay, so now we're getting... how awful. Okay, well, I mean, what happens if we go to our file upload and we do HTML here? What is that going to do? Okay, I think it's because we have the line numbers here that we need the raw. I think we're good with just HTML here. Okay, so uploading files. I think we want to display. Okay, so we're gonna do some kind of image. I think that's like this, and we put the alt text in here, and then we put the image in here. Where's my S3? There we go. Okay, that's not bad. Where's my index file again? I believe we have some kind of way of controlling the width. I believe we have a way of controlling the width of images. Somehow, somewhere in here. I forget. I just want it to be smaller. I think I can just do I mean, I'll just do like image source, right? And I guess I could just do style. Well, I think I want to do, this is going to default to being full width. So we'll just do style div, and we'll just put a max width on it. Let's try that. Okay. And this should go after this. Okay. Here it comes with the ability to trigger file uploads. Why does this not look? I guess it does look like this. I don't like my my code syntax highlighting. Is that really how it all looks? Yep, that's how it all looks. I think it's a little bit too large. So we have code in our style. So if we go to, this is like all mixed up. It's really kind of bad. Style.css. Oh my goodness. This is like wild, the way I did this. Okay, so we'll just do font size 14 pixels. Let's try that. It did not do anything. And I'm not sure why. So if we look here, style, code. Okay, so it did copy it. Oh wait, that's the live site. I'm such an idiot. Okay, so maybe 15 pixels. Looks better. And I think this should still be 16 pixels. Let me just make sure. Font size. Yep, okay. So we'll do 15 pixels and maybe like a font weight 500. 600. I don't know. I think that looks a little bit better. Maybe like a 3, 4 pixels instead. What is remake? I don't have anything. Yeah, I kind of like that a little bit better. That feels a little bit nicer to me. It's not like super nice, but it's pretty nice. Okay, so we got file uploads. Okay, so I want something at the top of this that represents a file upload. So let's go to Vecteezy. And we're just going to say like upload and see what they have. I want like something that looks kind of nice, but I don't want it to be busy. I do have this thing here, Smart Sharp. Oh, what is this? Why isn't it there? That's weird. Oh, it's not even in my source. Okay, so I don't have Smart Sharp. I thought I had some. Do I not? Huh. Okay. Let's look at our CRUD diagram because that one turned out pretty good. And also I want to add that to the menu. So let's see. So if I do if I do what is CRUD, yeah, this is a really nice diagram. I want to add this to the top. Intro, I think we want a different section. Just unfortunate. Jeez, a whole nother section. So we're gonna have like intro and then getting started. Yeah. And getting started we'll just have like install and setup. I think so. Okay, so we're gonna have, wait, where did this go? What? I don't have matching braces on for some reason. It's annoying as heck. Well, I'm pretty sure this goes to here. Okay, so we'll have getting started, and then we're gonna delete this, and delete this. And then instead of install and setup, we're gonna say, what is CRUD? Because I really like this page. So then we're gonna say, what is CRUD? Okay. And now you'll start here. What is remake? Then you have what is CRUD. And then high level overview. And then a simple example app. And then down here you have getting started, install and setup. I mean, it's a little much, but it's fine for now. Okay, so then back to our file uploads. I just want like a nice little icon here in the middle that just represents file uploads. So let's look inside. Oh, I have these assets somewhere. I have assets somewhere that would help with this, but I'm not sure exactly where they are. No. Okay, well, let's go to product hunt and let's go to illustrations. And yep, these are the people. Icons 8, I think. I think this was it. So are these, I believe these are free. Okay, so let's download this. Okay. I believe I signed up for this service though. I believe I have these. I'm not sure exactly. Let's search their icons. Let's search upload. I mean, they're okay. They're okay. They're not great. Okay, so we're gonna, I believe we're gonna modify this, but no, I don't want to like use it. But I'm almost positive that but yeah, that's not, I can check. Let me check. I'll check to see if I have. So I'm hiding the screen. I'm gonna remember to unhide the screen in a second. Gmail. Going to see if I have. Oh, here is it. Craft work that I have. I don't know. I got a bunch of icons. I think it was from Icons 8. Okay, let's see. I think it might have been craft work. Yeah, yeah. This is the place I got it. Okay, so craft work. Let's search for this. Craft work. Okay. Craft work. Oh my goodness. Just log in. Customer login and okay. No, do this. Okay. Okay, so I don't know. It's not giving me the login details. So let's search one more time. Craftwork, image assets, download. Okay, here we go. So let's unhide the scene again, and we'll close those tabs. Okay, so here are all of the things I have access to. And it wasn't icon 8, it was Craftwork. So I have access to these. Okay. So let's see, teamwork, control, afterclap, no gravity. This kind of looks like it could be good. Superb. Those look a little busy. Smart Sharp. I think these are the ones I was using a little bit. And Juicy. Okay, so let's look at these two. I kind of like one of these. They're a little busy. Kind of wish they weren't so busy. Jeez. I bet Juicy's probably the one to go with. So let's download that. We'll unzip this, go in here, go into Sketch, open this, and we just want like a really simple way to show an upload. Okay, so this is all we've got to work with. Um, uh, so I think we could take this and this one and make some kind of upload thing. If we go to the noun project and we type in curved arrow, and I want like a thick curved arrow, like something like this but thicker. Maybe we just type in thick. This one looks not bad. Let's just try this one. So grab this, 300. Okay, and we'll do this. Okay, so now we've got this, this, and this. Let's make this bigger. Right there. We'll put it behind that one, and it's going to go up into the computer. Okay. Let's see. Let's rotate this and make it bigger. And I don't like this computer. I don't know why. I just don't like it. I also, I don't know. It's kind of okay. So let's just do a gradient for this. So it goes down here. And we can just have it be like a light purple for now. And it's going to fade out to nothing. There we go. Okay. That's better. And we're going to say file upload. Okay, so now this guy is just a little busy. Here, maybe if we do flip vertical and you know, I want a different thing. Oh, that one's not bad. This one's not bad. Okay, just it's a little less busy. So I'll just grab this, put it like this. Let's delete this line. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's ungroup this and then delete this line. Okay, great. And group these, move them on top. Oh my goodness. How do I move to front? I like hate the new controls, so I can move it up gradually. Okay, there we go. I moved it to the front. Okay. Okay, so let's grab all these. Deselect that group. Okay. I don't know. This looks a little strange. Let's unflip it vertical. Make it a tiny bit smaller, just a tiny bit. And boom, boom. Okay. So that kind of looks like file uploading. I think we just need let's search matrix. Bytes, maybe? How about data? Data. I want like something that's like, you know, it kind of shows like a little data thing like going on. But like not complicated, just like little transfer maybe. Oops. Transfer. Come on, transfer. Okay, here we go. I think this is going to be the right thing. We just gotta find. Oh, and I gotta go, guys. I'm sorry. I know there's probably not a lot of you guys on the stream, but this was only meant to be a quick little stream. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. I will be on tomorrow, I believe. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, have fun and talk to you later.